Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods Pro Max are charged and your Ps5 system software is up to date. Next, plug a compatible low-latency Bluetooth adapter into the Ps5 USB port. This preserves audio sync. Once the adapter is powered, put the AirPods into pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED flashes. Make sure to choose the adapter's pairing method. Some require a second button press on the dongle to accept connections. Once the dongle indicates pairing, you should see your AirPods connect. The adapter often announces a solid LED when paired. On the Ps5, go to Settings Sound Audio Output and select the USB audio device or the adapter name so all system sound routes correctly. Then, set output to headphones to all audio if you want game and chat together. Make sure to test game audio and adjust master or headset volume so levels are balanced and latency is acceptable. To finalize, check microphone functionality. Many adapters don't support headset mics, so use PS Remote Play on a phone or PC for voice chat or plug a separate mic into the controller. If you notice latency, switch to a wired headset or choose an adapter with aptX low latency. Adapters vary in codec support, which affects sync. If audio or pairing fails, restart the Ps5, unpair and repair the AirPods and adapter, or perform a factory reset on the AirPods as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.